Alright, this is Wayne with WI News coming to you. It's about 10 after 1 here. As you can see, this is in Clintonville, and as you can see, we did get some more snow. My car's down there. The plow has been through once already. The old armory over there cleaning next to Rick's vehicle over there. So yep, as you can see, we are definitely getting snow, and it is still snowing yet. So just thought I would pass that along to our viewers out there, and we will pass you some more information along as we get it. This is Wayne with WI News reporting.